Our experience with Florida Coastal Contractors and Island Breeze Luxury Pools was seamless. It was easy from the very beginning, from when I met with Shane and we went over the design. He listened to everything that I was looking for. As a family, it's changed our activities in the home. We spend a lot more time outdoors. We weren't really getting use of our backyard or our patio before, and now we're out here almost every single day enjoying the sound of the water, the waterfall, swimming, being in the hot tub, being under our enclosure and watching TV together as a family. We use the backyard almost every single day. Everyone with Florida Coastal Contractors was great. Jessica was amazing to work with as a designer. She was incredibly patient, very thorough. The time that we signed our contract and they started digging and we were swimming was only 3 months, when a lot of our other neighbors were building at the same time and their process was much longer, by months or even a whole year. My backyard is much more practical now for my family, and it's very relaxing, very tranquil, and it was the best decision we ever made.